Here's the wild truth about how cows have babies. No special effects, just biology doing its thing. A cow's pregnancy is about 9.5 months, roughly 283 days. She can get pregnant the old-fashioned way with a bull or through artificial insemination, which is super common on farms to select good genetics. After that long wait, calving, the birth, rolls out in 3 stages. Stage 1, cervical dilation. Think of it as the body opening the door. The cervix relaxes and uterine contractions start warming up. From the outside, I'll notice she's a little off her routine. Restless, getting up and down, maybe pacing, tail lifted, and often she'll wander off to find a quiet spot. For first-time moms, this stage can take the longest, anywhere from a couple hours up to a full day. Stage 2, the main event, the calf delivery. Now contractions get real. The calf enters the birth canal, and usually the first thing I'll see is the amniotic sac like a clear balloon. Then come the 2 front hooves, and a nose, lined up in the Superman posture, feet and head first. Most cows will lie down to push, using their whole body with each contraction. As the shoulders pass, the rest of the calf typically slides out quickly. In a normal birth, this part is surprisingly efficient once it gets going. Stage 3. The placenta, also called the afterbirth. After the calf is out and everyone breathes, the cow's uterus keeps contracting to expel the placenta. That usually happens within 6 hours, sometimes up to 12. I don't pull on it, ever. It needs to release on its own. Here's what I'm looking for to know things are on track. In stage 1, she's acting restless, but not in obvious pain. In stage 2, those hooves and the nose line up correctly, and progress keeps happening. More calf with each push. If stage 2 stalls for too long, or the presentation looks wrong, like only one leg or tail first, that's a vet call. Right after birth, mom usually pops up to lick the calf clean. That's bonding, warmth, and stimulation all at once. The calf should be breathing, shaking its head, and trying to stand within an hour. The first milk, colostrum, needs to happen ASAP, ideally in the first 2 hours, because it's packed with antibodies for the calf's immune system. Big picture, cows are excellent mothers, and most births happen without any help. Pregnancy around 283 days. Stage 1 opens the cervix. Stage 2 delivers the calf Superman style. Stage 3 delivers the placenta. Quiet space, patience, and a watchful eye are the real tools here. So the next time you see a calf take its first wobbly steps, remember, that whole sequence is a masterclass in built-in design. No drama, just nature doing what it's practiced for millions of years. That's how cows have babies, start to finish, clearly and calmly. Thanks for hanging out. If you learned something, you know what to do.